Hello and welcome back to the Motorist. We're here again. It has been a while because I've had car issues. My new beast is here, and yes, on 4x4 day it is indeed four-wheel drive. Before anyone starts. Mg4 Xpower psychotic acceleration. But moving on to the main needs of the day. It's a 4x4 day and that is not. But that is interesting. Little fold-up scootery motorcycle thing. On the left there you'll see the Hilux that was used on Top Gear. At the front we have a number of show cars Arctic trucks have brought in as well alongside their Top Gear machine. And lots of Land Rovers, as you would expect. Range Rovers as well, and then peppered in amongst those we will find various other brands, but mostly Landies. Old Nissan there. Apache have their little stand. Defenders of varying ages. Super cute little Fiat 4x4 you saw there. Just come back into shots soon.
Little Fiat. It's a beast.
Proper beastie thing there, look at it.
It's a beauty.
Crazy off-roady, psychotic former Land Rover. Classic Pajero there. Modded Land Rover, modded Mitsu. Yeah, they're BMs, they're not 4x4. Or most of them aren't anyway. Quite a rare one there, look. More modded Land Rovers. Peeping through behind my favourite car of the day. Yeah, a real Puma. I'll take a couple of stills of this one. Don't see many anymore, they used to be everywhere. Somebody clearly had fun driving that in. Absolutely caked. You want to get into the 4x4? Here's a crazy beast that's for sale. No, not that one. Kermit. There's a phone number on there, and that was for sale this morning, so probably still is. Give them a bell, buy it. Don't blame me if it's knackered. Toyota corner it seems. And a Suzuki.
Can't even get fucking thing on trailer properly. Let's go.
Love the reg on that Jimny. More kitted out ranges. You can tell this is after lunch because you see where I was parked earlier all on my own. I've been joined by lots of others. More Defenders, another little Jimny. Focus Fiesta ST, sorry. So come back along.
All these Land Rovers and not an AA truck in sight.
We don't know. Which one is it?
It's a Defender. His bonnet up. In the middle of there.
I need somebody who can smell.
What the hell is that? Just what you want in the weather we've been having lately. Look back at the other end of that Pajero, and I think that's about it for the day. So if you've stayed this long, thank you. Give me a like below. Give me a subscribe if you want more. Tell me what your favourite vehicle was, and yeah, catch up again. Be seeing you.